Hello and welcome to the Phonics Channel with me, Mr. Tom, and this is the home of phonics where we help you with your speaking, your pronunciation and your reading in English. Okay, so let's dive into today's digraph sound. So we're going to focus just on this digraph sound. A digraph is when two letters make one sound. So we're just going to focus on this digraph sound today because it makes two different sounds, okay? So it makes two different sounds, this digraph. The first sound it makes, which we'll focus on first, is the f sound. F, 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 f. Say it with me at home. F. Okay, so it's like this sound. F. Okay. So, obviously we have a capital T and lowercase h and a lowercase t and h here. So, what's the first word which has the f sound? It is fin. Fin. Okay, the tree is fin. Okay, fin. Fin. Okay, the tree is fin. How many letters does fin have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. How many sounds? 1, 2, 3. Fin. Okay, 3 sounds, 4 letters. Okay, next word we have, which has the f sound in it, is thick. Thick. Thick, okay? Ick, thick. So we got the f sound here. Ick, thick. Okay, we got the k digraph as well. Ick, thick. The tree is thick, or the tree is thin. Thick, thin. Okay, super. So let's go into our final word today, which has the f sound in it, and it starts with a capital letter because it is a day of the week, and days of the week always start with a capital letter no matter where they are in a sentence, okay, which is Thursday. 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 Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters, and how many sounds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sounds, and 3 of those are digraph sounds. We got the and a to make all together with a Thursday. Okay, Thursday is actually the day I'm recording this video. Funnily enough. Okay, so let's say them all again together. Say it with me at home like always. Fin. Fin. Thick. Ick. Thick. And Thursday. Thursday. Okay, so now let's go on to the next one. Okay, so our next sound has the same 2 letters as before, as TH. Okay, the TH, as we know, can make the f sound, but it can also make the th sound. Th. Okay, so let's put this th sound into some words today, and the first one is this. This. Okay, this one here. This. This. This is our first word. This is a black marker. This. This. So, there we have 4 letters and 3 sounds. This. Okay? So, next one is the opposite of this. If you want to say something is further away, you can say that. that, th, at, that, th, at, that. What is that? That is some spray. That over there. So that you'd say for further away things, and this you'd say for closer things. What is that? What is this? The, at, that. Okay, super. So going on to our last word with the th sound. Remember, it can be f and it can be th. And the next one is, the last one is although. Although. Okay. All. Th. Oh. Although. Okay. All. Th. Oh. Although. Okay, so here we got a quadgraph, O-U-G-H, making the O sound. O, we got the th sound, and we got the O sound. O, although. Although it is raining outside, I will still go to the park. So even though, although, same word. So how many letters do we have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. How many sounds? O. Okay, 3 sounds. Although. Super. So let's go through them all again together. Like always, say it with me at home. That would be great. We got the th sound. The. Then this. It's. This. That. The at. That. And then we have although. Although. Okay. Thank you very much for joining me today at the Phonics Channel, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Thank you very much for watching the Phonics Channel today. Please leave a like on the video, and also please subscribe to the channel so you can see future phonics videos. Also, feel free to share it with your friends so they can improve their phonics as well, and feel free to leave a comment on the video as well. Also, check out the links in the description of the video as well. Have a great day.